finish this race, Papa?
All right.
Watch out for the bottom. I won the race. And the other race, guys, we're keep on falling.
Yep,
Now
this is Bangor, Maine.
Now there's only one more race to go. Bye.
Snow off of it. And the tree, of course. Downtown.
Papa? Jingle bell, jingle bell. That's our song to remember.
Charles Inn, circa 2011. Almost 2012. Of course. Oh, star. Driving in the snow. What are you doing, Wubba?
To sit out here.
Say hello to Uncle Bub.
Hello. Where is he?
He's here on the camera.
Hello.
Gonna send this to him. Put it on YouTube. Yeah, this is a good little snowstorm we got going on here.
Yeah. I need.
Alright, and we'll see you in a little bit. Signing off from Bangor, Maine.